Good morning. So today we are going to uh, do a glass replacement on a Samsung SM-T505. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is like heat up this part. So I'm using like a metal plate, leave it there for a few minutes, and once it gets warm, what I'm going to do is like create a small gap between the screen and so I'll just create a small gap here and try to see the opening. And once I get this one in, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use like a plastic thing and then just try to uh, get underneath this one. So basically you just pry this one up and then slowly, um, as you can see, you can just make a small opening, and then and now what you can see is like the two screws here, uh, but before that you need to undo the battery and then undo the two screws, uh, as you can see here, the two screws, and that's for the battery. So uh, let's undo the. So before that, um, what we need to do is undo the battery. and and so we just disconnect the battery, and then we disconnect the cable for the. Now we can just remove the screen. So that's how the screen comes off. Now one more thing we need to do is like remove this cable and install this one onto the new one. I'll keep this safe, this yellow tag, so that I can use it onto the new screen. And the way we do it, disconnect this one. And that comes off like this. Okay, now what we do, we just reverse the procedure. Now what you need to do is clean the edges. So try to clean like everything, all the corner edges, um, and remove some the extra glue what you have. So after the clean, now this is our new screen. So what I've done, like I have connected this cable back onto the new screen, and now let's test this screen. So what I'll do, if you can, so that has been done. Now let's connect the battery, and what we do, we just turn this one on and see if it turns on. Beautiful, look at that. Okay, so now once it's on, what I'm going to do is like put all the glue here in the corners and just install it. So that's all we need to do. Thanks for watching, guys.